Hey, in this video, I will show you the best iPhone movie apps or basically free movie apps for your iPhone. It's actually very cool. So make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and let's start. You want to go on the App Store, and the first app you want to search for is OSN Plus. It is very good. It's a very good alternative to Netflix, Apple TV, and other platforms. As you can see, it has all the latest movies or the series available, and this is basically the first option. For Asian dramas, you want to go for Viki. This is right here, Viki, Asian drama, movies, and so on. This is a very good option as a second app. There's a few other apps you can go for, and they are the third one is called Plex. Here we go. Here is the icon, Plex Watch TV. As you can see, it also has all the newest series, Inside Out, Despicable Me, whatever. And there's a few other options. The fourth one is Watch. It's just called Watch. I know it's very simple, but yeah, all you gotta do is just type in Watch. And when you do that, you gotta go through the watch phases. But somewhere around here, you find the app. Sometimes it goes up, sometimes it goes down. But um, look at this Plex, Rave. But there's other ones. Rave. No, that's YouTube with friends. Um, Maybe it's not available on all regions because I'm using a VPN. But yeah, there's a lot of different apps that you can use if you IPTV and so on. So if you have any issues whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below.